Check, check, check. Is this thing on? I feel like I always need to say that. Hi, everybody. Welcome back to DAE Create and Hang. My name's Emily. I do the marketing for the digital arts experience. We teach a bunch of stuff, and it is awesome. Today, I'm going to recreate a Mad Libs in Scratch using the ask and wait or the input function, as well as a variety of different variables. Now, the challenge for me today is I'm not totally sure if I'm going to use just a bunch of variables or if I'm going to use a list. I think maybe it should be a list, but we're going to figure it out as we go. So I'm going to go to the upper left hand corner, click create, and off we go. Now I actually have the rock band Mad Libs in front of me so I can like really make this legit. And this one is called Fan Letter to a Pop Band. So I think what we're gonna need to do, maybe we'll just make an array. Okay, well, I'm getting the blue Create Project screen of death. Oh, there we go. So I guess first things first, I always like to get a sprite and a backdrop going. So we'll get a new background. We gotta make it very rock and roll, right? I know I have a stage here somewhere. Indoors music. Where we go? Ooh, definitely concert. Definitely. I'm gonna get rid of the cat. Let's, people. Let's make it, let's make this kid Sam. Oh, he needs to be, there we go. Oh, maybe a little bigger. Alright, so Sam is a big fan. So Sam is who I was gonna say this. So everybody knows how Mad Libs work, right? You have a list of, where am I showing? Which I got confused at which webcam I was looking at. So you have a list, and you typically do it with other people. You can do it yourself, but you fill out this list of different words, and then you plug them in, and it just creates this nonsensical masterpiece, which then you share with friends, and it's like a really fun way to pass the time. So I think what I'm gonna do, is I'm gonna create, I think making a list will be the best way. Let's say Mad Libs for all sprites. So, and I can make it so that this list is giant so that you can see all the words. And so I think you're just gonna go right down the list in order. I think this is gonna work. I think this is much better than creating a variable. But I guess we'll see. So, well, I anticipate that we will at some point run into a challenge and we'll have to overcome it. But I mean, that's really no different than anything else. So let's just go dive in. Let's get started. So a list in Scratch is, in other programming jargon, when you get a little bit more advanced, it's called an array. And you're basically just adding things to a ledger, essentially. I'm not sure if that's the best way to put it, but that's how I understand it. But then you can recall everything in that ledger and what position it was at, etc. So when I click the flag, I'm going to clear this ledger. So I want to say delete all of Mad Libs. All right, so I guess first thing we'll do is input. We're going to ask last name and wait. That answer then gets stored in the input variable, and we're going to pass that input into the list. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down to add thing to Mad Libs, and I'm going to say add answer. So let's just test it out just to see if it works. Last name, Jones. Awesome. So it adds Jones as the first item on the list. So we know it works. And we also know that when we clear the flag, the list empties, because that's what we told it to do. So now I'm literally just going to copy and paste this a bunch of times so that it prompts us for different things. So the next one on the list is celebrity. Passing it to, I'll just do this a few times so we can kind of go down. Number. Right, so let's just test this out to see how it works. Last name, Jones. Celebrity, Michael Jordan. Number 3. So you can see all of anything that I put into that input, the ask and wait, then gets passed into this list. So just say add answer to Mad Libs, and it'll automatically add it underneath unless you tell it to add it somewhere else. And we're not going to do that. We're just going to keep it real simple. So what's the next one? Number, adjective, plural noun. Now a little bit of a lesson in grammar here. A plural noun is multiple person, people, places, or things, right? Number is a number. Adjective is a descript. I can't speak. I apologize. It's a descriptive word, right? Like colorful. Plural noun is multiple nouns, which is a person, place, or thing. We just said. Okay, plural noun. Adjective. And so now it's just a little bit of grunt work here. We're just gonna keep going down the list. Adjective, noun, whoops. And I just want to make sure that I have a block for this. So yes, I could say item 1 of Mad Libs. Okay. Perfect. So I can use this as a variable, but I can say item 1, item 2. So, for instance, as we go down the list, last name, Smith, celebrity, Mariah Carey, number 8, adjective, smelly, plural noun, speakers, adjective, tiny, noun, shoe. So it adds them, so then you can take this number in the list and you can use it as a container. So this is sort of like multiple it's like a container for multiple variables. Gah. I can't speak. It's all right. Ask, noun, verb ending in ing. How many more of these are? So we'll just say adjective. Oh, that one's already good. Adjective, noun, plural noun, another plural noun. I could have just copied that, but an adverb. You doing something in a certain way, like slowly. That would be an adverb. Swimmingly. Like the way something is going. Adverb, adjective, and a person in the room. Now we're pretty much done with person in room. Once we do this, now those things are all going to be stored in a list. So what we're going to do is now we're just going to ask the character to tell the story of whatever Mad Libs we created. So we're going to have to do a little bit of typing here. And before we do that, I'm going to eat some veggie straws, because they are crunchy and salty and delicious. So basically, we're taking each item in the list, which is its own container of information, and we're going to pull specific information from the list. All right, veggie straw break is over. And if you're following along from home, take this opportunity to also have a snack. Because sometimes you need to have a snack to concentrate, you know? So what I'm going to say is I'm now going to have this kid basically writing his letter, because the Mad Libs is called Fan Letter to a Pop Band. So let's tell him, we could make this just one long piece of code, but I tend to like to divide it up just to kind of not have everything in the same place. I'm just going to have it broadcast a message. I'm going to say new message, and I'm going to say Mad Libs in it. Just like initiate. Initiate Mad Lib sequence. So I'm going to go back to the top where this code starts. And this is where the Mad Libs is going to initiate. So I'm going to have the boy say, this is going to be good. Okay, here goes. So he says, this is going to be good. Okay, here goes. Oh, and I want to hide. Actually want to hide the array. So when the flag is clicked, I want to show the list. When you receive Mad Libs, we're going to hide the list. This is going to be good. Okay, here goes. Fan letter to a pop band. All right. So I'm going to say, whoops. This is where I can add things together to create sentences. So I'm going to say, and there's a couple things I have to do. I need an operator that's going to join a couple of different things. So I'm gonna need to join two things. And you'll see what I mean in a second. This is going to allow me to pass the information from each line of the list into the sentence, essentially. So I'm gonna say, dear, and then we're gonna do item 1 of the list. Brothers. All right. So now, fan letter to a pop band. Dear blank brothers. Okay. So we're gonna say item 1 of Mad Libs, right? And we're just gonna go down the list. Stop this. I'm in 6th grade at, now we're joining item 2 of the list. Middle school, comma. And I want to tweak these so that you're able to read them. And I am your number, item 3, fan. So I'm just literally taking things out. I'm taking the sentences out of this Mad Libs because we're using that one as a template to make a digital version. I have all your joining item 4, right? We're just going right down the list. I have all of your blank albums. But my favorite is a whole lot of and then join item number 5. Of all right, moving right along. In my opinion, the best song you ever recorded is Item 6. Whenever it's on the radio, I can't stop. Item 7. To the beat. All right. Where am I? I can't stop blinking to the beat. Now I have some blank questions for you, and that's going to be item 8. First, will you come play a concert in my hometown? My hometown, blank, item 9. Second, when will you be recording another blank, item 10, album? Finally, I read in blank, item 11, Beat magazine, that you guys like to eat fried I'm gonna save one for another fried, and then item 12, period. I love them too. I bet we'd have lots in common. Lots more in common. And if we met, we'd be best. Item 13. Forever. It may need to be 2.5 or 3. We'll check it out in a second. Please write back. Item 14. commodity then. You're devoted and blank fan. Yeah, item 15. And we don't even need anything else. We're just gonna put the item 16. All right, moment of truth. Will it work on the first try? Let's make it full screen and find out. I'm excited. I don't know if anyone else here is in the chat, but I'm really, you know, sometimes I get really nervous because I think, you know, like I really hope that it works because I hope that I did it right in the first try. And then the other part of me is just like, you know, it doesn't really matter because if I mess up the first time, I just go in and figure it out and fix it. So that's what we try to tell our students anyway. It's like, it's not really about getting it perfect on the first try. It's just about doing it. All right, so here we go. Last name. Smith. Celebrity. And if anyone's out there and wants to contribute, feel free. A celebrity. Kevin Costner. Number 94. Adjective. Meticulous. Plural noun. Cats. Adjective. Superb. No, let's say, atrocious. I think I spelled that right. Let me not mess up my own spelling. Atrocious. Yes, I spelled it right. Noun. Mug. Oops, I gotta go back. Type this in. A verb ending in ing. Oh, I guess I should maybe make that list a little smaller. I think I can probably make that list a little smaller. Verb ending in ing. Grabbing. Adjective. Methodical. I'm like meticulous, methodical. A little bit of type A personality over here. Noun. Veggie, straw. Plural noun. Pants. Another plural noun. Thumb drives. Adverb. Lazily. An adjective. Bubbly. Person in the room. We'll just make somebody up. Teddies. My teddy bears are here, so we'll just say Teddy. This is going to be good. Okay, here it goes. Fan letter to a pop band. Dear Smith Brothers, in 6th grade at Kevin Costner Middle School, and I am your number 94 fan. I have all your meticulous albums. My favorite is A Whole Lot of Cats. In my opinion, the best song you ever heard. Wait. Now I have some grabbing questions for you. I couldn't read it all out loud. Hang on, we gotta do it again. We'll I laughed way too loud at that. That was awesome. These all need to go for like... Oh, whoops. These gotta go for like 4 seconds each. That was very silly. So I have to, because I couldn't read it fast enough. But I think the album Whole Lot of Cats was a winner. Alright, let's test it again. Here goes. Fan letter to a pop band. Dear Smith Brothers. I'm in 6th grade at Kevin Costner Middle School, and I am your number 94 fan. I have all your meticulous albums, but my favorite is A Whole Lot of Cats. In my opinion, the best song you ever recorded is atrocious. Whenever it's on the radio, I can't stop mug to the beat. Now I have some grabbing questions for you. First, will you come play a concert in my hometown, Methodical? Second, will you be recording another Veggie Straw album? Finally, I read in Pants Beat magazine that you guys like to eat fried thumb drives. I love them too. I bet we'd have a lot more in common if we met. We'd be best lazily forever. Please write back, Bubbly. You're devoted and Teddy. Oh, I screwed up one of the inputs, I think. Wait, let me go back and fix this, because, okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, I can't. It's very hard for me to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. There's only 14 inputs. What did I do wrong here, I wonder? I know that, If anyone in the chat knows where I went wrong, dear, that's 1. I went wrong somewhere down here. In my hometown. My hometown. Oh, I missed a place. No. Yeah, I missed a place. I missed a place. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the 10th input, I think I just missed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yep. It was pretty close though on the first try. Place. Oh, and weren't we saying that the, we're gonna have to do this all over again. If anyone's watching, I could definitely use some help. So that's what I missed. I missed the place. And also, all right, we're gonna start over again. I need to make this the list. I just have to make it smaller because it's just it's too much. Why so big? I need you to be smaller, Mr. List. There it is. Okay. Well, so it can be, maybe it'll be over here instead. And then we'll just move the kid to the middle and hope for the best. All right. So, let's try it again. Moment of truth. Here we go. Last name. Oh, there was a few other things that I kind of messed up. I'm in 6th grade at blank middle school. I need a space there. I remember blank fan. I have all your blank albums. A lot of blank. Recorded is atrocious. I can't stop. Now I have some hometown album. I read in. Friday we be best. Blank forever. Please write back. You're devoted. And blank fan. Okay. Well, let's give it a whirl, shall we? Last name. I'm trying to think of a good last name. Kistner. Celebrity. Paula Abdul. Whoops. I think that's how we spell her name. I'm dating myself right now. I should have said PewDiePie. Number 645. Adjective. Righteous. Plural noun. We gotta get veggie straw. We gotta bring back veggie straws, right? Adjective. Stellar. Noun. iPhone. Verb ending in ing. Hastily. No, that's an adverb. A verb ending in ing. Swimming. Pretending. Adjective. Mediocre. Place. Disneyland. Noun. Shelf. Plural. I'm trying to draw inspiration. Plural noun. Computers. And one blah, words, stuff, things. Plural noun. Plants. No, that's boring. Lamps. Less boring. An adverb. Painfully. No, I don't want to do that. I can't think of this stuff. I could do hastily here. Adjective. Smart. Person in room. Emily. Emily's imaginary friend. Tom. Alright, this is gonna be good. Here it goes. Fan letter to a pop band. Dear Kistner Brothers. I'm in 6th grade at Paula Abdul Middle School. I am your number 645 fan. I have all your Righteous albums. But my favorite is A Whole Lot of Veggie Straws. In my opinion, the best song you ever recorded is Stellar. Whenever it's on the radio, I can't stop iPhone to the beat. Now I have some pretending questions for you. Uh-oh. Something happened. We couldn't play a concert in my hometown. Nope. Oh, man. What happened? Oh, what happened? Something got messed up, but I don't know where. What have I done? All right, let's go down this list. Last name, celebrity, number, adjective, plural noun, adjective, noun, verb any and ing, adjective, a place. Oh, adjective, a place, adjective, noun. A place. So verb ending in ing. I'm troubleshooting here. So verb ending in ing, adjective, place, adjective, noun, plural noun. Oh, I'm missing an adjective. Adjective, place, and then adjective, noun. Adjective. Adverb, adjective, person, room, plural noun, ask, noun. Oh yeah, so I missed another one. Adjective. All right, I'm double checking because I ran into some issues. So how many of these do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Whoops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Oh, whoops. What did I miss here? I missed something. Well, for those just joining us, I'm making a Mad Libs using the ask and wait function in Scratch, which is really just a way of getting inputs. And then I'm plugging them into an array, which is this list over here, and then I'm just pulling numbers from the list to then make him say all this funny stuff. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. All right, so I'm just double checking this. It's pretty cool though. Dear Blank Brothers, I'm in 6th grade at Blank Middle School, and I am your Blank fan. I have all of your a whole lot of veggie straws. In my opinion, the best song recorded is Adjective. Whenever it's on the oh, adjective, noun. Oh. The best song you ever recorded is adjective, noun. So we're gonna join item 6 and item 7. So I'm just gonna keep nesting these. Item 6. And item 7. Gotcha. Item 7. So this is going to be item 8, 9. I should have counted these at the beginning. Like, that's definitely where I went wrong. But hey, you live and learn, you know? That's the whole point. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. All right, so I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. All right, I think, guys, it's a moment of truth here. We'll see how it goes. I'm scared again. Actually, you know what though? I want to take this list and just move it up. Because I don't like when it's under the input, you know? So let's have it just take up this part of the stage here. Okay, let's try it again. Last name. Jones. Celebrity. PewDiePie. That's definitely not how you spell. My students would kill me. Number 47. Adjective. Gnarly. Plural noun. Socks. Adjective. Awesome. Noun. Seltzer. Verb ending in ing. Groaning. No. Whining. Whining. Adjective. Lost. Place. Scarsdale. Adjective. Enormous. Noun. Tablecloth. Plural noun. Daffodils. Plural noun. Spoons. Adverb. pleasantly. Adjective. Wondrous. Person in room. Emily's imaginary friend, Bob. All right, moment of truth. Third moment of truth. Dear Jones Brothers. Oh, that's funny. I'm in 6th grade at PewDiePie Middle School. And I'm your number 47th fan. I have all your gnarly albums. But my favorite is A Whole Lot of Socks. In my opinion, the best song you ever recorded is Awesome Seltzer. Oh no, what happened? Why is it done? Oh, whoops, I accidentally disconnected it. Okay, let's run it again. No! Oh, I lost everything! Oh my gosh, okay, we can do this, guys. It was, what was it? Jones? PewDiePie. Number 46. Adjective. Gnarly. Plural noun. Socks. Adjective. Wondrous. Noun. Veggie straw. Shocking. Adjective. Glamorous. Place. Let's say Knoxville, Tennessee. Adjective. Stunning. Noun. Seltzer. Plural noun. Oh, I already used socks. Spoons. Plural noun. Feet. Adverb. Glaringly. Adjective. Stupendous. Person in room. Emily's imaginary friend, Bob. Alright, here we go. Fan letter to a pop band. Moment of truth. Dear Jones Brothers. I'm in 6th grade at PewDiePie Middle School. And I am your number 46 fan. I have all your gnarly albums. But my favorite is A Whole Lot of Socks. In my opinion, the best song you ever recorded is Wondrous Veggie Straw. Whenever it's on the radio, I can't stop shocking to the beat. Now I have some glamorous questions for you. First, will you come play a concert in my hometown, Knoxville, Tennessee? Second, when will you be recording another stunning album? Finally, I read in Seltzer Beat magazine that you guys like to eat fried spoons. I love them too. I bet we'd have lots more in common if we met. We'd be best feet forever. Please write back glaringly. Your devoted and stupendous fan, Emily's imaginary friend, Bob. So, not bad, not bad. I had a couple little places where there wasn't a space, but other than that, and other than my terrible, fried spoons, a whole lot of socks. I mean, yeah, it worked pretty well. That was pretty fun, right? So that's it. So, in case anyone was wondering, I have Reggie straws in front of me. Just as a reminder, once again, my name's Emily from the Digital Arts Experience. The Digital Arts Experience is awesome. We release a tech tip every weekday at noon. We have live streams going on 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. every day. We're just doing project hangs. I'm on every Monday at 10 a.m. and every Tuesday at 2 p.m. In addition, we just have awesome private lessons and whatever you want to learn. Everything's online right now, so you can definitely check that out at thedae.com. And I teach Scratch every Monday at 3:30 p.m. And you can learn it literally from anywhere. So definitely stop by our website, thedae.com. We'll see you in the next video. And thanks so much for hanging out. I hope you have a great day. Take it easy.